Harare Sports Club for the second ODI in the... Heads is the call. It is a hit. Afghanistan win the toss. Hashmat, what are you going to do?
We will ball first.
And he's got him! And that struck him plumb in front. Look at this. Beautiful line and absolutely plumb. Absolutely plumb. That's what I was talking about, Tino. Afghanistan will be looking at...
That's well played. Faruqi, 2 full and 2 straight. It's a big boundary. Oh, 2 straight this time. Craig Irvin.
What a shot. That's a vintage Craig Irvin. That's...
In or away. And that's a beautiful shot from Craig Irvin.
Driving 1 or 2 just like that. Once again finding the gap through. That's a big appeal from his first one. Irvin missing it. This step.
Ball tracking coming up. Original decision not out. Pitching outside. Impact in line and wickets hitting. You'll have to overturn your decision.
Well, I'm afraid Marie Erasmus would have to overturn that decision, much to the joy of the Afghan players.
Top edge. 1 bounce and into the rope. Good start. Full tosser from Rashid Khan. You don't get to see many of those, so important that once you get it. Big appeal and gone. That's a good shot. It's gonna run away. Full and should be punished, will be punished. 4 runs. That man had extra cover.
It's Rashid Khan and Nabi.
Delightful delivery. Fortuitous. Will run away for 4. Beautiful. Some more lucky runs. The big question, and it's 50 up as well. First of his one-day international career for Innocent Kaya. Oh, that's a beautiful stroke. He's used his feet. Was the bowler that he wants to catch. And then he's gone after Mujib, and he's gone after him very, very well. He's hit that well. Gone. Not necessary from Zimbabwe. He's decided he was going to go after Farid, and he's run down the wicket at him. Farid has seen him coming. That looks good. It looks straight. I know Chubby doesn't think so, and I won't be surprised if Afghanistan go up here. Original decision is not out. Pitching outside off, impact in line and wickets hitting. You'll have to overturn your decision. I know. Stand by. It's another very, very good review by Afghanistan. Picked up. That one just sliding down the outside edge this time. And it's going to run away for 4. A good point you bring up on it. Because, and there we go. We spoke about how Nabi's been fantastic throughout the day today.
Carry definitely. What a good catch. Be sorry to see the back of Sikandar Raza of that. Oh, it's well bowled. Rashid Khan length. Googly finds the inside edge. It's a good chase down there at the boundary, but to no avail. Bowled. Tirapano not really moving his feet, and you just get a sense that Rashid Khan at that middle order, lower order, hard to pick. Got another, which makes it a bit hard. That's airborne. It could be a simple catch. They're never easy, but that was an easy catch. And Mohamed Nabi once again, and, I'd have to say, perhaps another mental error, another choice that he might rue a little bit later. And it does mean that Zimbabwe are really reeling on 177 for 8.
That's a good hit. It's got to go for 6. Oh, he's bowled him. What a beautiful sight for a fast bowler at this stage of the innings. Faruqi Fazalhaq beating the defences. 223 on the board. Muzarabani goes for 9. He struggled in this last over in particular. Here you go, that's well bowled. Wide outside the off stump. Opportunity for a run out. Chivanga thinking of coming back. He'll come back for 2. And in the end, Zimbabwe. Wow, I was going to say have got 4 runs off the last over. I know Chubby. That's not grounded at this point. Another thing is that they lose all the 10 wickets, which could be a psychological factor, and they end on 228 after 50 overs. A couple in the last game.
Lower and quicker. But that is not the start that Zimbabwe was looking for. A chance for the wicket.
Just like this, slices this beautifully between the 2 fielders, square off the wicket, and races down to the boundary. This is on the pads, easy pick-in. Ibrahim Zadran also opens his account. He might race away to the boundary. Yes, it does. Once again, onto the pads. Ibrahim Zadran is onto the task. Another boundary.
That's a better length. There's a shot from the keeper. And it's Murray Erasmus who says that is out. That's going to hit the stumps.
Ball tracking coming up. Original decision is out. Pitching outside off. Impacts in line and wickets hitting. Stay with the original decision, Murray. Stand by.
That's it. That's the end. He's going to confirm who got the dangerous Ramanula Gurbas just to start like that. But that's overcorrection. 2 straight and it right. Now look at that for a shot. Beautifully picked. And this should run away to the boundary. Oh, it's bread and butter. He's not going to miss out on that, is Ibrahim. It's too short. And it's too... He just want to do things rather quickly, just like this. Once again, onto his pads. Easy picking this for Ibrahim Zadran. Another boundary.
We heard, I think it was Warnay mentioned earlier. Oh, that's just gone to the right. And this one is short. This time it's certainly far away from Wesley Madevere. Finish well. Short. And doesn't finish well. That's too full from Zarabani. That'd been the bottom edge, perhaps, but the batsman.
Oh, it's a good shot. Glorious, down the ground, full face. That is a shot. That is a handy start again for Afghanistan, and look what that means to him. Short, pulled. It's a controlled top edge. In away from Ibrahim. It's good.
Well played. That is a quality cricket stroke. It's use the feet, shows intent, and 4 runs. That's well fielded. He's definitely saved 3 runs there for Zimbabwe. And now hitting the stumps. Edison Kea has given 1 back. And he's gone to another half century in one-day international cricket, Ramaksha. It's almost looking like a good 3rd-day test match wicket, isn't it? That's clipped away nicely as well. And unfortunately, the misfield will... that's in the half a chance. And in the process, in the gap as well, and will run away for... Yeah, off the hip and running away for 4. That's short enough and just whipped away through that mid-wicket area for 4. And it's through the covers at 4. Ibrahim Zadran celebrates a maiden one-day international 100. Beautifully beautifully timed. The field's come in, of course. Bit of width offered by Tiripano. Struck hard. Back past the bowler. Despairing dive from Tiripano. He won't get there. Got the outside edge and he's gone. 94 in the first ODI, 88 today. And he'll be extremely disappointed, Rahmat Shah.
And it is indeed. It's confirmed illegal Dowiemi, and what this means is Rahmat Shah once again has to depart before a major milestone. He will be livid. So many times in international cricket, Rahmat Shah has been caught, and he departs for 88 of 154 after 115 balls.
Looked as if the Zimbabwean attack didn't have the teeth. And look at this beautiful shot towards the deep mid wicket.
Short, airborne. That's gonna...
Oh, he's hit that winning shot. That's right. Afghanistan registers their second victory in the second ODI of Tough a Bit Afghanistan tour to Zimbabwe. Dugout happy out there. Ibrahim Zadran, the man who's brought his team home for his fantastic 100, and this was the first 100 of the series.
So after an early setback, Gurbaz lost his wicket with a score on 17, but that's when Ibrahim and Rahmat Shah got together.